In this video, I am going to tell you how you can use Snapchat Dreams. So first of all, you need to install Snapchat in your phone and open it. So as you can see me, this is me. And after opening Snapchat, you need to click on this option, memories. After that, there's an option of, you can see camera roll Dreams. Dreams option is there. You can see this is the create AI portraits with Dreams. You need to just tap on this yellow button, create Dreams. And you need to click on agree and continue. And yeah, now you can see me. So I will select any of this picture which I like, and you mode, and just I will tap on click my photo. So I selected one photo. I will select another photo from different angles. Now this angle, now another angle, now last angle. So I have added five photos successfully. I will click on done. I will select my gender, male or female. So I am a male, so I will select male. So I just need to tap on OK. So it will create my dream. So it will ask for some money. You need to pay it. Winter Whisper, you can use anyone, Hollywood. So I will select this. So I will just make a payment and I will just unlock it. It is not free, it is paid one. So I you need to pay it. You need to just unlock this feature, and you need to just make a payment to complete this. You can pay it by Google Pay or any other platform. And after paying this, if you can also apply for a coupon code, and after paying this, you can simply create dreams in Snapchat. So this is not a free feature, and it is only for paid users. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. So I just need to pay it, and I will pay it later on. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you find this video helpful and you know how to use Snapchat dreams, then click on like button. Also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.